Hi guys, today we're here at La Gelati. Who am I with?
Mia Sotis.
So we're gonna interview her today. So
Okay.
what's your favorite thing about working here?
About working here, I say the people that I work
People?
with.
You when you came here?
I was 22. Now I'm 25.
Where are you from?
Puerto Rico.
Puerto Rico. Would you go back there?
Yes, I love my island.
You
Yes,
love
of
your
course. Imagine.
Why did you come here? Like for what?
There's a lot of gentrification going on in my island, making everything expensive for us, and that's why the locals, a lot of us, have to move here. Like almost my whole family moved to the United States because of that.
Yeah.
So,
What impact does La Gelati make in West Dearborn?
in West Dearborn, I think Leilati is known to be very what is it called?
Popular?
It's popular, especially among younger kids. I see a lot of teenagers literally fresh out of school and just coming here and having a blast with their friends, you know?
Yeah.
I think I just love to see people happy, and who's not happy when you're eating a dessert, to be honest.
For real.
So,
And during Ramadan, did you find it hard to work here?
yes, I did find it hard, even though I was working morning. Morning usually is more easy going, but I had to cut a lot of strawberries because of the trendy Dubai strawberries, and that was tough. Just being like 4 hours, just cutting, because of the amount of strawberries I had to make. But night shift had it worse, though.
Yeah, for real.